Alright guys, welcome once again to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create table in Microsoft Word. So as you can see, this is my Microsoft Word interface. I want to go straight to blank document, and from here I want to insert a table. So maybe the table has a heading. For instance, I can just say maybe Flagstaff House, Flagstaff House, JHS. Let me say okay, so you say morning classes, timetable. Okay, morning classes timetable. Then I want to insert a table. So from here we'll hit on the insert tab. Then under this we have table. So when you click on this small arrow under the table tab, it displays tables of default columns and rows for you to choose from. Let me just say I want to choose maybe 4 columns and just 2 rows like this. If I want to add more rows, place my mouse pointer here, then just hit your enter key and it would give you an additional row. So let's say I want to enter here, maybe this is days of the week, so maybe days here. Then here maybe I would enter the subject. Okay, when you hit on the tab key, it takes you to the next column. So maybe I would say teacher responsible. Okay, responsible. I want to enter the name of the teacher who would be taking care of that day, those subjects. Then maybe I want to enter here the time or the duration. So there are 5 days of the week I want to consider here. So yes, 2 columns wouldn't be enough, so I can go ahead placing my mouse pointer here, hit the enter key, and it adds more days. Where the mouse pointer is at the moment, when I hit the enter key, it rather increases the paragraphs in the table. So what I want to do is to add a new table. So when you put your mouse pointer here, you would add that. Now another thing is, just in case I have fair idea on the number of columns and rows I want to insert in the table, I would just go ahead and enter them straight. So let me just say I want to enter 4 rows here, then 4 columns, and I want my rows to be maybe 6. Okay, so have 4 by 6, so I can have my days here. Then I have my subject, teacher responsible, and then the time. I can see days here are not that long. Then from here, maybe the subject not that long, the teacher responsible, maybe I'll have to write the name of the teacher, and so it will be a long name. So here to the time is just something small, so I would like to adjust this table such that the area I want to use for the teacher, the name of the teacher, would be a little bit large. So let me say the teacher responsible. Okay, teacher responsible, I want to enlarge this, so just make sure that the mouse pointer changes to this folder, and then you press and hold, then you reshape that. And maybe I want this to also come back small. Okay, so I could have the subject also fit in directly here. So you can do that to have adjust the columns, adjust the width and the height of your table. You can also do this to increase the width of your table as well. Okay, so this is how you create a table, and then you adjust the columns and the rows. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that anytime we post new videos you will be able to watch. See you again. Bye bye.